Nebulas, the cradle of stars. This is where stars are born and stars are created. This is where they're thrown out into the universe, where they gather mass, they create planets, and maybe they create life. But we are going to gather all that beauty of creation and stick it in a jar and put it on your neck as some jewellery. Now you're probably thinking, but CJ, nebulas are made of carbon and space dust and gases, and you might be right. But today we are going to make our nebulas out of cotton wool, coloured water, and some glitter. Okay, so first we are going to take a little bit of our cotton wool here. Just going to tear off a little cloud here. I feel a bit weird doing the cotton wool, it gives me a little weird feeling in my arm. Some people don't. If you don't, you're hard, you should probably join the SAS. But we've got this cloud right here. Then what we need to do, once we've got a little cloud out, is we're going to take one of our coloured bars, and we've got plenty to go here. We've got a Neptune blue, a planetary purple, a galactic green, a Y-wing yellow, and some red. So I'm going to take some purple because I feel that that is probably the most nebula colour you can get. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to colour in some of this cotton wool with it. Nice and colourful there. And put the syringe back. And then once we're done, we're going to put this to the mouth of our bottle. Then we're going to take our patented Glasgow Science Centre smooshing stick, not on sale in the shop yet, but we're working on it. And we're going to smoosh this down. And when you're done, you should have a beautiful nebula in a jar right here. I've got a nice red dot that kind of reminds me of what you put her in mine. And what you're going to do now is you're going to pop the cork back on it in the jar, because you don't want any of that nebula or that star to escape, because who knows what kind of problems that could create. Now the next thing we need to do is we're going to get the necklace and put it around our necks. So we've got some string here that we're just going to tie around it and put it on our neck. And there you have it, your very own nebula in a jar, all around your neck. And you can wear that wherever you want, to social events, to family gatherings, or even just in the office to make a statement. And that is your nebula in a jar. So carry on everybody, create your own nebulas, and just have an awesome time doing this.